I wanted to personally thank you all for reaching my 1 million subscriber milestone.
I finally got the gold play button in the mail.
I got this nice gold play button from YouTube made of aluminum.
Presented to Michael Hickox Films for passing 1 million subscribers.
Studio 71 sent me this little congratulatory gift. Made out of Lego for 1 million subscribers. At the time of filming this, I have 1.1 million subscribers and over 802 million video views. My current camera I use is a Canon T5. I use a Canon T5 camera and I use Sony Vegas for editing. All right, guys, check out this incredible stop motion sequence we put together using the new minifigures.
Well, the newer ones are at 15.
Here is the very first Lego video I made.
Here's a montage of some early videos.
Why, yes. As you can see, those early videos were a little crude, but hey, they're still fun. I've been making videos nonstop since 2005, 118 videos live to the public. And I don't always respond to comments, but just know that I read just about every single one. I'd also like to ask if you guys would like more live content like this, behind the scenes, tips and tricks. I don't normally want to make live content to interfere with the normal stop motion schedule. So thank you for watching. Thanks for Lego. Be sure to subscribe. Cheers to the next million.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.